Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to install a loyalty card on iOS device. First of all, we need to scan the QR code, fill the personal data in the card issuing form. In my case, this is my personal data, okay. And this is my preset of fields that we ask in when issuing card. You can customize these fields and ask customers to your needed personal data here in the form. The last step, you need to tap on the button install in Apple Wallet. And you can see the card on your screen. It's like a preview, and you need to tap add button in the top right corner. And that's all. Card already installed into the Apple Wallet. And if something went wrong, you can push the button, try to add again in the footer section. And you can reinstall the card again by existing link. So that's all. Thanks for watching.